Hello dear student, today start from the chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 name is time goes on. Now let's start from the topic name. Your topic name is calendar. Okay. Now the one by one question solve it. Let us look at the calendar for the year of 2006. Your calendar is already given to you 2006. First question. How many months does a year have? Okay, it means what? In 2006, as how many months does a year have? And every year has 12 months. Okay, there will be January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is our 12 months. Okay. Now see the second one question. Start from the second one question. List the month which have the 30 days. Okay, it means what? List the month which have the 30 days. Now see the in month of January month has 31 days. In month of February here will be 28 days, but in a leap year there are 29 days. Next, in month of March has 31 days. In month of April, here will be 30 days. In month of May, here will be 31 days. In month of June, here will be 30 days. In month of July, here will be 31 days. In month of August, here will be 30 days. In month of September, here will be 30 days, and in month of October here will be 31 days. In month of November here will be 30 days, and in month of December here will be 31 days. Okay, this is our list. List the month which have the 30 days. Out of the 12 months, we have to list the month which have the 30 days. It means what? First of all, the in month of what? First of all, the in January month here will be 31 days. Okay, in month of February here will be 28 days, but in leap year this is 29 days. Okay, now the next one is what? In month of March here will be 31 days. In month of April here will be 30 days. It means that about the 12 month we have to write down the which month have the 30 days. It means what? Your answer is what? In month of April, in month of June, in month of September, and in month of November. There is a 4 month, here will be a 30 days. Okay. Now let's start from the next one question. Here our next one question is what? Here will be list the month which have the 31 days. It means that we have to out of the 12 month, we have to write down the list of month which have the 31 days. Okay. Here will be one by one month you have to write it. Now first of all start from in month of January. In the month of January has 31 days. Okay. In month of March also 31 days. In month of February here will be 28 days, but in the leap year here will be 29 days. Okay. In month of May 31 days. In month of July, in month of August, October, and the last one is December. Okay. It means what? Here will be list the month which have the 31 days. You have to write the in month of January, March, in month of May, July, August, October, and December. Okay. Now let's start from the next one question. How many days does the month of February have? Okay. In general, in month of February there are 28 days, but in a leap year here will be 29 days. Okay, it means what? Your answer is what? Here will be 28 days in general, but in a leap year here will be 29 days. Next question. How many days make a week? How many days in a make a week? Every week has 7 days. You will start from in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and last one Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Now let's start from this. How many weeks are there in month of July? It is the true for all the month. First of all, the how many weeks are there in July? In month of July, in every month has 4 weeks. Okay, and some month have also 5 weeks. Is it true for all the month? Yes, it is true for all month. Okay, because every month has 4 weeks. Okay, it means your answer is what? How many weeks are there in month of July? There are 4 weeks in month of July. Is it true for all the month? Yes, definitely. It's true for all the month. Okay. Next, in which month did you come to class third standard? Okay. In which month did you come to class in third standard? Definitely in month of April. Okay. Understood? In which month did you come to class third standard? Okay. Then it means your answer is what? In the month of April month. Okay. Now let's start from the next one question. Next question. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. Okay. Now see is the first one is what? 26 in month of January. 26 January. Okay, and every student you know about the in month of 26 January is a Republic Day. Okay, every year you are celebrated as a is a Republic Day in month of 26 January. Always 26 January month of is a Republic Day. Okay, start from the next one. Here will be 14 November. In month of November, every 14 November is celebrated is a Children Day. Okay, and every student you know about the Children Day is are celebrated as 14 November in month of November. Okay, next one question is what? 31st December. Now see, here will be in month of 31st December is are celebrated as a New Year. Always every year is celebrated as a 31st December is a New Year. Next question, is there something special about this date? Okay. Now see next question. Here will be fill in the blanks with the correct year. Okay. Now see the actually 2005, 2008 is a year is are given to you. 2005, 2008, 2007, 2004, 2009 and the 2010. Here will be year is are given to you. By using this year we have to write it. Okay. Now, which year was it 2 years back? Okay, actually is a calendar of what? 2006. According to a calendar of 2006, your answer is what? 2004. Okay, understood. Next question, question number 2, 3 and 4. This question, this is actually general question. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a general type of question. This question is only for you. Okay, now we have to solve it. This question is a general type of question. Okay, uh, I hope every student will understand the topic of about the calendar, how many months in the year, and every month has how many days, and some few days are celebrated in the festival format. Okay, this is all the general information about the calendar. Okay, I hope everyone student get understand all our questions, and the next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.